Boo! Happy Halloween! Do you like Halloween? Let's learn some spooky Halloween words together. This is a pumpkin. I see pumpkins on Halloween. Say it out loud. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Spooky. This is a ghost. Ghosts come out at night. Repeat after me. Ghost. Ghost. Boo! Here is the vampire. Vampires have sharp teeth. Say it with me. Vampire. Vampire. Scary. Look at the bat. Bats fly in the dark. Can you say bat? Bats. Flap, flap. Here is the witch. A witch can fly on her broom. Say it out loud. Witch. Witch. Magic. Look at the black cat. The black cat has shiny eyes. Say it with me. Black cat. Black cat. Meow. Here is Frankenstein. Frankenstein is very big and strong. Say it with me. Frankenstein. Frankenstein. Spooky. Here comes the spider. The spider is hanging from the web. Say it with me. Spider. Spider. Creepy. Who's coming now? The skeleton. The skeleton has many bones. Repeat after me. Skeleton. Skeleton. Creepy. Look at this monster. It's got 5 teeth and 2 horns. Can you say monster? Monster. Scary. Wow, candy. Do you like candy? Say it with me. Candy. Candy. Yummy. Look at the mummy. A mummy is covered in bandages. Say it with me. Mummy. Mummy. Creepy. Hello, pirate. The pirate wears a hat with a skull. Repeat after me. Pirate. Pirate. Scary. Here comes the devil. The devil has red horns. Say it with me. Devil. Devil. Spooky. Super. You learnt many Halloween words in English today. Let's say them one last time. Pumpkin. Ghost. Vampire. Bats. Witch. Black cat. Frankenstein. Spider. Skeleton. Monster. Candy. Mummy. Pirate. Devil. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!